Need custom parts? With 60 years of history, MISUMI's global manufacturing network offers custom services to meet your needs. Whatever parts you need, we have a solution for you. To get started, submit a 2D drawing online, along with any supplemental CAD files. There are no minimum requirements, and the submission process takes only 30 seconds. An engineer will review your request to make sure there are no missing details. Our engineering team will reach out with any questions before the manufacturing process begins. After your request is reviewed, you'll get a quote and a custom part number in 1 to 3 business days. Once you receive your quote and part number, you're ready to order parts on MISUMI.com. MISUMI's manufacturing capabilities include CNC milling, CNC turning, sheet metal fabrication, die and mold, and wire EDM. We also offer a wide range of material and surface treatments to meet your specifications and application requirements. Every part is inspected properly based on MISUMI's quality policy and standards. Once the order is complete, enjoy on-time delivery and the high quality of MISUMI parts. To learn more about MISUMI's custom solution or to submit a request, visit MISUMI.com/custom parts.